Alright, looking at pound USD. Potential buys, what we're looking at here, we have a low form from Monday's low. We have another low that we formed in yesterday in the Wednesday session. Now we have the equal lows. What I'm looking for is during this London session for us to come down to run the stops below these lows. Once we get back above them in New York, we're going to look to execute sells. Ultimate target for 100 pips is going to be the weekly highs, Wednesday's highs at 1.30400, and then the kind of near term or immediate term target is going to be here at 1.3000 flat psychological level. So what I'm looking for, equal lows to get swept. Once we get to back above them, we're going to look to take buys. Target 1, target 2. Very simple trade, very simple stuff. We just need to wait for our trigger to present itself. Other than that, I'm not too interested in any other trade for the time being. As and when things change and develop and mature, I'll get back to you. Cheers, guys. Alright, hello. Final video here on GBPUSD. So last update I said I had an unchanged bias. I was waiting for a run of Monday's equal lows. Until then, I will sit out. I was uninterested in the position. We did not get the run of the equal lows that we were looking for. What we essentially wanted was a push below these lows, form a bit of a deviation, then get back above and push to the upside. But instead, what actually happened is there was so much liquidity resting below these lows that what occurred once we moved below them was a liquidation cascade. As the stop losses were getting hit, rather than buyers coming into the market to essentially cause the reversal and cause a deviation, the stop losses just provided further sell pressure, so that's why we had such a violent move to the downside. This means that we didn't lose any money on GBP USD. We didn't make any money. We're in essentially a neutral position. Nothing won, nothing lost. There's no problem with that. We're going to sit out of the market for now, but I do have a few ideas with regards to these highs up here, with regards to the fair value gap that we can see at 1.29600, and I might get onto some videos about them later. But we missed this trade on GBP USD. We managed risk correctly. We didn't take the trade without confirmation, and we avoided a loss. So that's all from you guys. Cheers.